question 18. So part A, we've got to describe the transformation from A to part B. Well, we can see it's just getting larger. It's the same shape, just bigger, so it's an enlargement. If we take the base, for example, it's gone from a length of 3 to a length of 6, so that's scale factor 2. And there's 3 marks going for this, so we need the third point, which is the centre of enlargement. So if you just take a couple of points in common, say for example top left, and draw a line carefully through those, and then a couple of other points in common, say bottom right, and you draw a line through those, where those two sunshine rays cross is your centre of enlargement, which is at the coordinate 1, 0. Now for part B, we're being asked to translate, which just means shift triangle A 5 to in the positive x direction, which just means to the right, and 4 units in the negative y direction, that just means 4 down. So we've got to shift this shape 5 to the right and 4 down. So just take any point of your choice, for example bottom right, and shift that 5 to the right and 4 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 4 down, 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's still got to be the bottom right hand corner. So the shape's coming over to the left of that with a base of 3, a height of 1, and that's shifted shape A 5 to the right and 4 down. Now for part C, get your tracing paper out, go and draw around the shape, go and do X marks the spot on the centre of rotation, which is 3, 1, and remember the tip, draw an arrow pointing upwards on your tracing paper. Now put your pencil, your sharp pencil, on the X marks the spot and swivel the tracing paper around until the arrow is now pointing to the left, because that's where we'll be pointing when you shift it 90 degrees anti-clockwise. You can then just sort of press through the tracing paper to see where the shape has moved to. Remove the tracing paper, just look for the indentation in the exam paper and just draw the final shape in, and just repeat using your tracing paper just to make sure you haven't made a slip. So that's the final answer.